Assalamu alaikum. It's the Cambridge School System. I'm Shafia Kausar, in charge of class PG. I hope all of you will be tip top. Now students, we are going to start our study. It's our math book of PG. Now we start the page number 3. Today we have learned 3 balls, 3 ball points, 3 color pencils, 3 fingers, 3 butterflies. So let's we do practice how to write 3. Join the dots here. This is 3. Today we have learned 3 and you learn it and also do practice to write it. Okay? Allah Hafiz.